Hello, welcome to this Notesmaster demonstration. This is one of a series of short videos to give you a quick insight into this platform. Of course, you may already have a platform that you use, Google Classroom, Edmodo, Schoology, Moodle, or any number of other platforms. Maybe you've created one yourself. So with that in mind, you're welcome to use this platform instead of those, or you're welcome to register on this platform and put a link to the notes that when you join the class you may find useful, and you can send your students or yourself in between platforms. So it's designed to be a little bit of a flexible solution, so don't think that because you already use one platform you cannot use another platform. There are more features to come on this Notesmaster platform, so you will see a series of videos highlighting new developments, new features, and a broadening developed, let's call it e-learning network around the Caribbean. So, Notesmaster.com, you may have heard, obviously, following the launch, that there are class codes. And what is a class code? How does it work? What do I even do? So I'll give you a short demonstration of how to use this platform, how to register, and we can take it from there. So if you have already registered, you'll click login, put in your email address and your password, and then log in. If I click login, it takes me here to simple interface with classes that I have joined or would have joined. Okay. If I have not already logged in, I can click Get Started, and if I have not already registered, I can register. Get started under teachers or students or parents. Let's go with teachers. Click Get Started. Let's put a name in. So let's call my name Martin Roberts. Let's go with that. Put in your email address. I'll just put one in here. This is your email address that you will use to log into the platform. It can be your Google, your Gmail, your Hotmail, your work email, your school email, just something that you use regularly, and a password. So this password is specific to the platform, okay? You need to use 6 or more letters with a capital letter, a special character, and a number. So let's say I'll go Martin. I can click the little I so we can see here ARTIN 1 exclamation mark. And when the orange goes green, we know I've got it right. Okay. And of course you can take suggestions from your browser, but put it in as something that you remember. So I click sign up and I'm in. I can save it if I want, and here I am. So here I am in a very simple class interface. As we say, more areas will be available to you on the left-hand side, but at the start of the program and the start of the project, to just roll it out very simply for you, you can now join a class. So obviously you will need the class codes. So class codes make it very simple for you to go straight into the class. So I am going to join English Language Arts Writing, primary subject. I can create a class or join a class. So I'm going to join a class first. Click Join Class, and I get a pop-up. I paste in the class code that I have, and I click Add. I'm now in the Ministry of Education, Trinidad and Tobago OER Primary ELA Writing class. Not the catchiest of names, but it covers all the information that you need. So all I need to do is go to Notes, and in here we have our syllabus. So the platform is based around the syllabus. Okay, that's what makes it a little different from some of the other platforms you might have used. It is infants, topics, and specific objectives. The program is authoring content for all of the syllabus. Some content is still in author, so that's where you may see a 0 here, and other content is available. So if I click through, level, topic, specific objective. The notes are under here. You can click through them and you see. If I just click on a note, the note then opens up and looks a little like this. They look different depending on the style or type of the teacher. Some have gone for a little bit more colorful, some a little bit different, bigger fonts. Here's a video, here's some images and more images and some references. Okay, in another video. So different styles, different interactivity, different elements. There are a couple of things, but this is just a simple registration get started video. So I can copy this note, but I'll cover that in another video. Okay, so if I close this here, you see I come back to the syllabus and the syllabus is open where I am. Okay, if I wanted to join another class, let's say I also teach physical education, I click on classes again here, I go to join a class and I put in the class code for physical education and I click add. And here they are. I'm now in the Ministry of Education Physical Education and Sport class. I click on Notes, and in this you see I have the syllabus, the Secondary School Certificate Syllabus, Form 1, Form 2 and Form 3. Okay. Now some things are able to be copied and covered through teaching online. Others, like behavioral aspects, you can't necessarily teach online. Movement, observing movement, you can't also teach online. So some things may have elements missing, or you may see that there's not a note underneath it, or they may refer you to another note that covers this topic as well. So to be sure, click on the objective, see the note underneath and click it open. Cricketing, okay, nice and interactive, and big pictures here. Okay. So you can be in more than one class. Each time you come back, you do not need to register again or enter that class again. You do not need to do that. You only enter your class code once. Okay? All right. So this is a simple video on how to find and join the class. You can, of course, create a class. So once you're here, I'll do a separate video on creating a class. Once you're here, if you want to create a class, you just click Create a Class. Okay, thanks for watching.